Ever wondered why an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Well, let's unravel the secret behind this age-old saying. Apples, the humble fruit that we often overlook, are packed with a powerhouse of nutrients. They are rich in essential vitamins such as A, C, and E, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining our overall health. But that's not all. Apples also contain a high amount of fiber, making them an excellent food for improving digestion. Now let's talk about antioxidants. These are substances that help protect your body from harmful free radicals. And guess what? Apples are brimming with these health-boosting antioxidants. They play a role in heart health too. Studies have shown that the nutrients in apples can help maintain a healthy heart and even boost our immune system. So, the next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for an apple. Adding an apple to your daily diet can offer you these amazing health benefits. Now, you may ask, how can I incorporate apples into my daily routine? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Apples are incredibly versatile fruits that can be added to a variety of meals throughout your day. For instance, consider adding thinly sliced apples to your breakfast cereal or oatmeal. This not only adds a delightful crunch, but also boosts the nutrient content of your morning meal. Lunchtime salad? Toss in some apple slices. They pair well with a variety of greens, providing a refreshing burst of sweetness. For a quick and nutritious snack, why not reach for an apple? Its natural sugars can help beat that mid-afternoon slump. And let's not forget homemade apple juice. It's a healthier alternative to store-bought versions, often laden with added sugars. But remember, most of the apple's nutrients are found in its skin, so don't peel it off. With these simple tips, you can easily enjoy the health benefits of apples every day. So, what have we learned about our humble apple today? We've discovered that not only is it a tasty snack, but it's also a powerhouse of nutrients. Packed with dietary fiber, it aids digestion and helps keep our hearts healthy. Its high vitamin C content boosts our immune system, and the antioxidants it carries are our allies against aging and diseases. We've also shared some handy tips on how to incorporate apples into our daily diet. Be it in salads, smoothies, or just as a plain old snack, apples can be enjoyed in so many ways. But let's not forget, while apples are amazing, they're just one piece of the puzzle. A balanced diet filled with a variety of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and grains is key to good health. And of course, regular exercise is essential for a healthy lifestyle. Remember, an apple a day may just keep the doctor away. Stay healthy and live well. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.